Have you ever wondered why we feel so alone in this world? Even when surrounded by people, we sometimes feel a strange, persistent sense of separation. It's as if we are encased in our own skin, like small islands floating in a vast ocean. This is the illusion that has been planted in our minds for centuries, that I am here, and the world is over there, distant, indifferent, and alien. Alan Watts once said that most of us feel our ego to be a center of consciousness, a source of action that resides inside a bag of skin. And yet this perception, though natural to us, is not reality. It's a cultural habit, a way of thinking taught to Western children for generations. We grow up believing that we are separate from nature, from other people, and even from ourselves. But if we look closely, this separation begins to dissolve. Step outside and notice the world around you. Feel the air, the soil beneath your feet, the warmth of the sun on your skin. You might sense that you are not standing apart from it. You are part of it. Every leaf, every breeze, every ripple in a pond is a reflection of the universe expressing itself. And that includes you. In Western thought, we are often taught to think of the world as an artifact, something constructed, separate from us, something to conquer or control. We build, we shape, we flatten hills, and yet in doing so, we forget that the hill, the tree, the water, and the earth itself are extensions of our being. We act as if the universe is indifferent, and we are alone within it, struggling to assert ourselves. This is not the only perspective. Other cultures, like Chinese and Japanese traditions, point to the heart, or solar plexus, as the center of self, a more fluid understanding of identity. The self is not trapped behind the eyes or inside the skull. It flows outward, intertwined with the world. You are not separate. You are the universe, experiencing itself from this moment and place. Consider your body for a moment. You don't control every heartbeat consciously, yet your heart beats, your lungs breathe, your body moves, all without constant thought. In the same way, the world moves with you, not against you. Your actions, thoughts, and presence are inseparable from the environment that surrounds you. When you walk along a path, notice that the path supports you. When you breathe, notice that the air carries life into your body. The world is not external, it is the extension of you, and you are an extension of it. Yet our culture emphasizes the ego, the spotlight of consciousness. We fixate on ourselves, on controlling, judging, and separating. We identify only with our conscious attention, while the vast floodlight of awareness, the intuition, the connectedness, the unspoken knowing, goes ignored. This is why separation feels so real. We are trained to perceive only a narrow slice of existence. To shift this perception, we must allow our awareness to expand. Imagine for a moment that the world is not a collection of things outside of you, but a symphony in which you are both player and audience. Every action, every thought, every glance is part of the music. The waves, the trees, the animals, and the people are not foreign to you. They are expressions of the same energy that flows through your mind, your heart, your fingertips. You are never separate. You are an ongoing movement of the universe. And yet, even with this understanding, the feeling of isolation can linger. It's human to cling to the idea of separateness, to see ourselves as individuals facing a world that is somehow other. But when we pause and breathe, when we allow ourselves to observe without judgment, we begin to notice the truth. The world is not out there, and we are not in here. There is no barrier between you and existence itself. There is only the unfolding of the universe through every moment, including this one. So how do we live with this awareness? Start small. Look at a tree. See yourself as part of its life. Walk barefoot on grass and feel the earth supporting you. Listen to the sound of water, wind, or birds, and know that their rhythm is your rhythm. Every gesture, every breath, every thought is both yours and the world's. You are never truly separate. In understanding this, something shifts. Fear, anxiety, and the sense of isolation begin to dissolve. The world becomes a companion, not a challenge. Life is no longer a battle to conquer or survive, but a passage to experience, a journey to witness the infinite unfolding of being. You see that the separation we often feel is a construct, a perspective we can choose to release. And when you finally realize this, that you are the world, and the world is you, Life opens up in ways words can hardly capture. Joy, love, wonder, and curiosity flow naturally. You are not an island. You are a wave in the ocean, a movement in the dance of existence, a note in the symphony of all that is. So the next time you feel isolated, take a moment. Remember, the world is not separate from you. You are not merely in it, you are it. Every thought, every breath, every heartbeat is the universe expressing itself, and that in itself is a miracle.